Hey everybody, this is Nathan Ware at Rain Networks. Thanks for joining us today. We're going to do a multi-part video series this month starting today on the Acronis Backup Cloud product. Has become a very popular product offering for us. It's just as it suggests, a cloud backup service that is fully manageable through the Acronis Cloud web portal. Very cool product, very easy to use, easy to manage product, and a really nice way to get offsite backup done. I mean, backup locally is great, but it's always good to have an offsite backup that's easy to use and also not super expensive. This is a very affordably priced product, and it's kind of designed for, I guess you could say, a typical end user, but also for a service company type operation, because there's kind of a multi-tenancy to it where you can put all of your customers in it and kind of manage all your customers from a single place. So let's jump into the portal here. I'll kind of show you what it looks like. Get signed in. So I'm signing in here with a test account here, and I've got a couple of test companies in here as well that I'm doing backups for. So this is actually the backup view, but let me start with the account view. So there's kind of two views that you use with this portal. One is the backup view. That's where you actually manage your backup jobs, and then the other one is the accounts view. So this is the accounts view here. So my test company is named Burns Industries, and I have two companies that I'm doing backups for: Skynet Corporation and Wayne Enterprises. To build these, they just call these groups. So you would click Add Group down here to add a new one, and you just fill out this quick little form, and just like that I'm putting in a new group here. Okay, so that's just like building a folder. In this case, I've nested this one underneath the Skynet folder, so this would be, say, a subsidiary company of Skynet. I could add that directly under Burns, and so you can kind of make the folder structure however it makes sense for you. I mean, if you were a service company here, you could have, all of the companies that you do service work for in here. Now, one of the cool things here with this is, so I have this Skynet Corporation set up with an email address, but I can actually add multiple people here. So let's say I'm doing service work for Skynet, and one of the managers at Skynet also wants to be able to view and edit the backup jobs. I can actually add an account for him. Now, when I do that, what's great about that is it kind of segregates him just to be able to see the Skynet backup information. He won't be able to, for example, see my other backup jobs for the other companies. So like, I don't want him to be able to see the backup jobs for Wayne Enterprises. Well, I can put the account in the Skynet company, and that will just kind of segregate him into the Skynet Corporation backup jobs. Up here, these icons kind of show you what you're backing up. So this tells me up here that I'm backing up 0 desktop machines, 1 server. This is the icon for virtual servers. Here's mobile devices. Here's Office 365 mailboxes. Okay, and this is the total amount of storage that I'm consuming. The way that this product is priced, it's priced on a per gigabyte per month basis. So it's basically you pay for what you consume, and you're just going to pay a nominal fee for the amount of gigabytes that you use every month. Okay. There's some other settings that you can do in here in terms of like kind of locking down like what people can see and whatnot. But the key thing I think that is most important is having the multiple accounts, because there's lots of times like maybe you have like a help desk tech or something that you want to have access to a particular portion of this, and you can make an account just for that person and then kind of give them the permissions that you want. You can see here, you can do a little bit here. This is the account creation part. So you can do a little bit here in terms of, limiting their account, whether or not they see backup notifications and some stuff like that. So pretty cool stuff. All right, so this is kind of the management of the groups. In the next video, I'm going to get into actually how to manage the backups themselves. And we'll talk a little bit about how to set up a backup job, how to do restore and things like that.